Type conversion refers to the process of converting a value from one data type to another data type. Type conversion is classified into two types: implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion. Python automatically performs certain type conversions when necessary to make operations work. For example, if you add an integer and a floating point number, Python will automatically convert the integer to a floating point number before performing the addition. Here, I am declaring two variables. A equals an integer value of 4. B equals a float value of 3.3. Then, I am declaring C equals A plus B and using the print instruction to display the result. Running the code. If you observe carefully, I haven't actually performed any actions here. I simply declared variable A with an integer value, variable B with float value, and variable C as the sum of A and B. In the third step, Python automatically converts the integer value of A to float value and then performs the addition. In implicit type conversion, Python automatically converts one data type to another data type to perform some operation. Explicit type conversion. We can explicitly convert a value from one type to another using built-in functions. Declaring x equals integer value 12. X underscore int equals int conversion of x, x underscore str equals string conversion of x, x underscore float equals float conversion of x. Here I'm displaying variable values and data type of variables with print instruction. See the output. Values and data type are changed. Now I'm changing the value to string. Here I am converting string to integer, floats. First, I'm converting string value to integer and stores in x underscore int. Next, I'm converting string value to string and stores in x underscore str. Later, I'm converting string value to float and stores in x underscore float. Now I am converting the float value into string, integer values. First, I'm converting float value to integer and stores in x underscore int. Next, I'm converting float value to string and stores in x underscore str. Later, I'm converting float value to float and stores in x underscore float. Type conversion on input instruction. Here I'm declaring the variable person underscore name equals input instruction. In previous videos, we learned about the input instruction, which take information from the user as a string. Next, person underscore age equals input instruction. To store the age of the person, I am declaring a variable person underscore height equals input instruction to store the height of the person. Running the code and entering some random values. Take a close look. I've provided one string value, one integer value, and one float value. However, the output displays only the string values. This happens because the input instruction exclusively accepts string values. To accept integer and float inputs, we need to perform type conversion. Now we get one string value, one integer value, and one float value. Thank you for watching, and subscribe the channel for more Python concepts.